Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today and for another Pootles Advent Countdown project. This 24 projects coming out to a week, all the way through into the run-up to Christmas. And today I have a tag for you, or a gift tag I should say. Now, all of the projects that I make, I hope will be useful to you over Christmas. They could be gift packaging, they could be cards, all sorts and everything. And I haven't done tags as part of my Pootles Advent Countdown for many years, not that I can remember anyway. And I had a team event recently, probably about a week ago from the time you're seeing it. And yeah, we all got together. I hosted it and it was just amazing, really, to get together with my whole team. And I always spoil them. I always give them loads of treats and goodies and things. And I like to dress them up prettily. Not that you can see this on camera. So this is a beautiful black gift bag. No, I'm not going to show you what's inside just yet. You'll have to come back Friday, and stuffed with tissue. And yes, I did make a rainbow. So they're just ordinary black paper bags that fitted perfectly what I wanted to go inside. Well, I just wanted to put a little tag on for everybody. So I'm going to show you how to make it. I have got some of it done already. And that was partly because I was already, you can see I was already doing lots and lots and lots. So I just got the beautiful designer series paper, Peaceful Place, and I just chose plain patterns. So some of them had that, some of them like this, and then one of the foils, I showed you some of it last week. This is another one. So that's one, this is another. And yeah, just went for it and got loads of circles punched out. But the thing that kind of made it for me, I'm just going to glue this on, was that little polar bear that I'm going to put on the front. Just layers over like that. And I'm going to punch a little hole. But yeah, the polar bear, Arctic bears, how adorable is that? That's just so cute. It really is. So my little polar bear, he's adorable, isn't he? And then I want a scrap of white. Oh, that literally is a scrap. And I'm going to use Stays On. Pop him on there. And there's a die to match. There it is. It's so cute. I have a bit of a thing for polar bears. When I was a very little girl, probably all of about 2, my parents bought me a polar bear for Christmas in this shape. So not like a cartoony polar bear. That's my washi. You know, he was actually in this shape. And he is called Polo. And he currently lives in Oliver's room. So Oliver is my youngest son. All of my boys have had him. And yeah, we've always loved polar bears. And for many years, my children have always received, from Father Christmas, of course, a polar bear at the bottom of their bed with their stocking. So yeah, polar bears, passionate about them. Very difficult to find a plush toy that's a polar bear actual shape. So I've got a cat trying to get on the desk. So I'm just going to run that through. Should have de-stickified my washi, I think. Let's pop that back so I don't lose it, because I would cry if I lost that. And I'm going to pop this on with dimensionals. And this is quite a simple tag. Well, it's an incredibly simple tag. The reason for me making it a simple tag is because I had lots of them to put together. Where's my gingham ribbon? Here it is. I had lots to put together, but actually, I'm sure I'm not alone. Well, the team event obviously was something completely different, but I always have lots of tags to make for Christmas because I have nieces and nephews and my own children and my parents and brothers and the like. And actually, do you know what? I could attach this on here just to show you, but basically you tie it on and attach it. Yeah, so I have to make lots, and I might make 1 or 2 terribly intricate ones, but the reality is they're going to be quick and get it done. Because Christmas is a busy time. and there's always lots to do, cooking and baking and wrapping and making and all of that. And actually, that's a fabulous gift tag, in my opinion, with a pen that doesn't work, Merry Christmas on the back, and maybe your name or a message. And that would, yeah, seriously, that pen has run out. That, I think, is absolutely ideal as a tag. I really do. It works for me. Anyway, I hope you find it useful. Tags don't have to be overcomplicated. They can just be pretty. Thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.